Hello, I'm going to do the fourth part of the C# Mage game tutorial. In the last video, I believe we finished creating our user menu class, so we can easily create menus at any time we want. And in this video, we're going to start doing some gamey stuff by creating the game loop, which is going to be basically the most critical part of the entire game. So let's get started. So, you're going to need a new class. Alt-Shift-C, or you go to your project menu thingy, whatever class. Then let's call it game, or you could game loop, or give it a funny name if you wanted to. So there we go, new class. So let's get the game loop class is going to contain a couple of important game variables, such as whether the game's running, whether the player's dead, etc. So, actually, that can be in like a player class or something. But let's start creating some variables. And the first thing we're definitely going to need is to check whether the game is running. So boolean for that, and make it public bool. And let's say is running. Get set. Very nice. And we'll go straight and do the game loopy loop and we're going to have a function for that. Well, the game loop is going to be a function, and that is going to make it public, and it's going to be void, and let's call it game loop, like so. Very nice. No parameters. And there we go. So there we go, I've got our game loop function. But as you can probably tell, it's not going to loop. All we need to put in there is actually a while loop in there, so it keeps on going. So while, and then in there we're going to put is running. Then leave there. And there we go, there's our game loop. That's all it needs to be. Apart from some extra bits we can add in. So there we go. But if we run this now, well, apart from we need to put it in the program file, it's not going to do anything because we actually declared it's running. But assigned is running, not declared. So we can do that. We're going to ask. We could put it in there, but we could put in a function so we can easily reset the entire game. And that's probably the best way of doing it. So let's do it. So I'll probably above game loop. Let's make a new public void. And let's call it game init, game initialization. Initialize. In there, we're going to put is running equals true. So there we go. Let's game loop. And I think we can test that if you want by going to the game loop, but console.write line. It works. Semicolon. Now to get this to work, we need to actually put it in our main function, because otherwise if you just run the program, it won't do anything. So go to your program file, or if you renamed it, whatever you called it. Oh yes, that is our menu, isn't it? So just delete that, delete all that, and we just got our main function. So now we can declare our new game class. So it's game, let's call it game equals new game, no parameters, game init, and game loop. Save that, and then let's compile it by F5, and hopefully it should say it works repeatedly. Once it decides to compile them, there you go, it works. Very nice. But let's just stop that. So there you go. That actually is a very short video for our game loop. So thanks for watching, and in the next video we'll be putting our main menu in. So I'll probably watch that straight away because it's very short. Thanks for watching. See ya.